Hariom children, today in this video I'll explain you to calculate the profit loss in percentage. When there will be profit and when there will be loss, and that we have to calculate in percentage. Before you know profit or loss, we have to know what is cost price, what is selling price. Suppose one product the shopkeeper purchased from a dealer. So that product when purchased the shopkeeper from the dealer, for the shopkeeper, that is the at what price that purchased from the dealer, that is the cost price, and what price the shopkeeper sells the product to the customer, that is the selling price for the shopkeeper. So if the cost price, that means CP, if it is less than the selling price, that means SP. That means if SP is greater than CP, then it will be profit. If CP is greater than SP, then that will be loss. So when SP is greater than CP, then that will be profit. When CP greater than SP, then that will be loss. Clear? So when profit will get, how will calculate the profit percentage? Profit percentage always calculate on CP. So profit percentage is equal to profit, this formula you have to be remember, profit by CP into 100. Understood? So to calculate the profit percentage, we have to calculate on CP. So profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Like this loss percentage, you can calculate loss by CP into 100. Understood how to get profit percent and loss percent? Clear? Suppose in the question given to you profit percent given and the CP given. So how to calculate SP? The formula is 1 plus profit by 100 into CP, cost price. Clear? Remember, if profit percent given and CP given, we can calculate the selling price as 1 plus profit by 100 into CP. Suppose loss percent given and CP given to you. So how to calculate the SP? 1 minus loss by 100 into CP. Clear? When there will be profit, it will be plus. When there will be loss, it will be minus. So understood? These are the main fundamental formulas in profit loss to find the percentage. So profit percentage or loss percentage always calculate on CP. Then if profit percent given, CP given, then SP you can find 1 plus profit by 100 into CP. When loss percent given, CP given, SP you can find 1 minus loss by 100 into CP. Understood? These are the formula. Now based on this formula, one question I am solving. See how I am doing. Here question is given. Suppose the question is Manoj purchase 2 watches at rupees 1955 each. gaining 15% on one watch and losing 15% in another watch. Clear? Find the profit or loss percentage in the whole transaction. Clear? We have to find the profit and loss percent on the whole transaction. So question what you read? Manoj purchased 2 watches at rupees 1955 each at, then gaining 15% on one watch and losing 15% on another watch. Find the profit or loss percent in the whole transaction. So for the first watch we have to calculate. Purchase means the CP is given for both the watch. Each watch CP is 1955 rupees. So we have to find the SP of the first watch, then SP of the second watch, then the total CP we have to find, total SP we have to find, then we have to see if it is profit or loss. Suppose you write here case 1, here CP is given rupees 1955 and profit percentage is given 15%. So formula use SP is equal to 1 plus profit by 100 into CP. So 1 plus profit is 15 by 100 into CP is given 1955. So here 115 by 100 into 1955. So it will cancel with 5, 20, 23, again cancel with 5, 4, 5 3 ja 15, 5 9 ja 45, 5 1 ja, no more it will cancel. So here you write SP is equal to 23 into 391 by 4. Now 23 into 391, we have to multiply 3, 7, 2, 11, 2, 7, so it will be 3, 9, 9, 8. So 8, 9, 9, 3 divided by 4. Now we have to divide. Here I am dividing 8993 divided by 4. 4 2 is 8, then 9, 4 2 is 8, 1, 19, 4 4 is 16, 3, 33, 4 8, 32, 1, 0.28, then 2, 20, 25. So 2248.25. So I am writing here is equal to rupees 2248.25. Here this will get the SP of the, in the first case the SP you got. Now in the second case we have to find, I am now rubbing here. So in the first case SP I am writing here, you are getting 2248.25. Now in case 2 we have to calculate. Case 2 CP is 1955, loss is, here loss is 15%. So it will, SP will be 1 minus loss by 100. So I am rubbing this one. From here, again in case 2, it will be, so formula will be SP is equal to 1 minus loss by 100 into CP. So 1 minus 15 by 100 into CP is 1955. Write properly this 15%. So now SP is equal to 1 minus 15 by 100 means 85 by 100 into 1955. 5 cancel, 20, 17, 5 cancel 4, here 5 3 is 15, 9, 1. So 17 into 391 by 4. So 391 into 17, we have to multiply. 7, 6, 27, 1, 9, 3, 7, 4, 6, 6, 6, 4, 7. So here we have to write 6, 6, 4, 7 divided by 4. If we will divide, so SP will get, if we will divide now, 4 1 ja 4, then 26, 4 6 ja 24, then again 2 4 6 ja 24, 4 1 ja 4, 7 minus 4 3, 30, point you have to put, 4 7 ja 28, then 2 left, 20, 4 5 ja 20. So rupees 1661.75. So SP here in the first case you got this one, in the second case you are getting this one. Now we will calculate the total SP and total CP. Now here we have to write so total SP is equal to rupees 2248.25 plus rupees 1661.75. If we add, what will get? Here now multiply add 0.75 2248.25 0 0 8 plus 1 9 plus 10 0, then 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11, then 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9 3. So rupees 3910. Total CP is equal to rupees 1, each watch is 1955. So 1955 into 2. So it will be 1955 into 2 is equal to rupees multiply 10 1 1 9 3. So you see here the total SP is rupees 3910 and total CP also rupees 3910. So here SP and CP both are equal. So there is no profit and no loss. So there is question asked, find the loss or profit percent. So here there is no profit and no loss. Understood? So this much in this video. Thank you.